Hello friends, how to fix this kind of error? When any website wants to use your camera and microphone, then this kind of pop-up appears with an option of block or allow, enable or disable. Then suddenly your Chrome browser freezes. It stops working. So how can we fix this kind of pop-up error in Chrome browser? You have two options, two solutions to fix this kind of error. Number one solution is you need to update your Chrome browser. Actually, there is a problem with the version you have installed. So go to the Play Store, update Chrome browser. So number one solution is update your Chrome browser. Second solution is you can install Opera browser. You can install this browser to fix this kind of problem. So you have two solutions to fix this kind of problem when any kind of pop-up appears with an option of allow or block, enable or disable. So you can have two options. Either you need to update your Chrome browser or you need to install Opera mini browser. So that's how you can fix this kind of problem. And if this video helped you, you got your problem fixed, please like and comment. And yes, don't forget to subscribe.